Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to text in Canva. First, open your Canva project or start a brand new design. Look for the Text tab on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see options like Add a heading, Add a subheading, and Add a little bit of body text. Simply click on any of these to instantly place a text box onto your canvas, ready for your words. It's a super quick way to get started with your message. Once your text box is on the canvas, double-click inside it to start typing your message. You can easily move the text box by clicking and dragging it to any spot on your design. To change its size, grab one of the four corner handles and drag it in or out. This keeps your text proportional. If you want to rotate your text, just click and drag the circular arrow icon that appears when the text box is selected. With your text box selected, a toolbar will appear at the top of your screen, offering many customization options. You can change the font by clicking the font drop-down, choosing from hundreds of unique styles. Adjust the font size using the number input or the plus and minus buttons, ranging from 8 to 144 points or more. You can also pick a new text color from the color palette, ensuring your text perfectly matches your design's aesthetic. Beyond basic formatting, Canva offers powerful text effects. You can make your text bold, italic, or underlined, and choose from left, center, right, or justified alignment. Dive into the Effects tab to add shadows, outlines, or even curve your text for a unique look. Fine-tune readability by adjusting letter spacing and line height. For an extra touch, use the Animate feature to bring your text to life with various dynamic movements, making your design truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.